The topic of today's video is how to make a phone call in Microsoft Teams. So do consider liking and subscribing. And I want to make a note that I am tackling it from a different perspective this time around though. You'll notice that on the screenshot I have here, you'll see there's a call icon on the left here. However, on my Microsoft Teams app, there is no call function on the left. And that is because it's not really plainly put out, but you need a specific plan in order to access phone calls on Microsoft Teams. Specifically, they are the Microsoft Teams phone plans. Now, it starts off with standard at about $10 and then it goes up from there. You can get a free trial for standard, 1 month free. Just give it a try and see how you like it. And as you go up in the price tiers, you do get some extra things like for instance, phone numbers with 3,000 outbound domestic or 600 outbound international calling minutes for Microsoft Teams phone calls. And I just wanted to point that out because I have seen a lot of people wondering why they don't have the feature and others do, and this is why. I do believe there is a version of 365 that comes with calls as well, so that is also an option for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.